In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Steam games not being detected, and we'll get this sorted out in just under 5 minutes. It's a fairly common problem that can be incredibly frustrating, but we're here to guide you through a straightforward solution. First things first, you'll need to open your Steam application. Once Steam is up and running, you'll likely see the login screen, especially if you haven't opted for automatic login. Click on the login button, which will prompt you to enter your account details. Carefully type in your account name and password. Remember to double check your details to avoid any typos. Once you're ready, click on the sign in button. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your Steam homepage. From here, navigate to the upper left hand corner where you should see the word Steam. Go ahead and click on it. A drop down menu will appear. Select settings from this menu to open up the configuration panel. In the settings window, look for the storage section. This is where you can manage the locations where your games are installed. It's crucial because if the games are stored in a location that Steam isn't recognizing, they won't appear in your library. Click on the Add Drive option within the storage settings. This step allows you to specify where your games are stored on your computer. Now you'll need to navigate through your file explorer to the folder where your games are installed. A typical path might be something like C program files, x86 Steam apps. Once you're in this directory, ensure that your games folder is either correctly installed or listed here. If it's missing or if there's an issue with the directory, that could be why the games aren't showing up. After verifying your game's location, we'll take a step to ensure there are no download issues. Head over to the download section of your settings. Here, you'll find an option to clear download cache. It might sound a little risky, but don't worry, clearing this cache will not delete your games. Instead, it often resolves various issues related to your downloads or binds, similar to giving your Steam client a fresh start. Finally, after clearing the cache, you'll want to exit and restart Steam. Click on Steam in the upper menu again, choose Exit, and then reopen the application. Upon restarting, Steam will reload, and with any luck your games will now be detected and visible in your library. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to get your Steam games showing up without a hitch. If you continue to experience problems, it might be worth checking the integrity of the game files or seeking additional troubleshooting advice from Steam support. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.